Block printing. This is one of my favorite practices. I get these beautiful inks, get a roller, get some blocks out. These are all hand carved out of this thick rubber called safety cut. I recommend it. It's less slippery than linoleum. Look at this. Recycled materials. This is a wealth in resources right here for printmaking. Look at that. This Stouffer's box. You can print artwork on it. You can roll your ink out on it. And we have a whole stack ready to go. Okay, we start with a little bead of ink or a line of ink, whatever this is technically called. Gonna roll out a little bit of ink here. Saturate this block with ink. Look at that. And here we go. Alright, you can use a brayer. I think it's called a brayer for this. I just use a paint bottle and I just press that surface down into the ink. Bam! First print. Look at that cute face. Alright, we're off, man. We are off and running. Boom, recyclables. Look at that mac and cheese. Perfect. Yeah! Look at that. Is there a more fun way to recycle? Sweet. I'm going to add a little bit of red ink in here. Sometimes I like to get this red ink going and I try and float it on top a little bit just to get some, like a variation of colors. And we're experimenting. It's recyclable materials. It's easy to experiment with these. They were just going to end up in the recycle bin anyway. Might as well make them into artwork. We'll just keep going and pretty soon, check it out, we got a stack. You can do anything with this. You can have an art show. You can flood your Etsy shop. I love this medium for this reason right here. I mean, you just get multiples. And you can print on paper, cardstock. You can use oil-based ink and print on vinyl for stickers. You can print on cloth. It's amazing. See these little stickers right here? These started out as full-size block prints. I took photos of them and I did a sticker run, ordered stickers. Alright, we're moving on to this pug. Same process. There we go, Space Pug. Space Pug, don't hurt him! Alright, this will be the last print of the day. And it's on to cleanup. Water-based inks are super easy to clean up. Soap and water, boom, you're finished. Speaking of finished, this video, we are concluding it here. Look at our prints. Alright, as always, I love you. Thanks for watching, and have fun.